Hello everyone, welcome to another video, where today will be rather quick. I found this video, and even though I've talked about this previously on my channel, it is very funny because it shows how flat earthers sometimes can't even think in 2 dimensions, let alone 3.
Model debunks the heliocentric.
Sorry.
You know what I love? When the heliocentric model debunks the heliocentric model.
Now, I don't even know where to start with this. First of all, if it would, we wouldn't do it like that, because they assume that we are so unimaginably silly that we wouldn't see any of that, right? That's the first thing. And the second thing is, what you're about to see has nothing to do with heliocentrism. it would be more or less the same argument in geocentrism. So I love how flat earthers call the model that we have the heliocentric model, even though that's not what we call it. They give it a name for us. Regardless.
Venus and Mercury orbit closer to the sun than we do, and
that's correct.
Nighttime is when our planet is facing that way.
No, the planet doesn't face anyway. It just is, and it's nighttime when we are on the side that is not lit by the sun because it's in its own shadow. That's it's not facing that way. I mean, it is facing in all ways if you want.
That means when it's nighttime, there's no chance of us seeing Venus.
And I mean, this guy has to be like a Poe or like doing this for fun or impersonating. He can't be serious.
At nighttime, because we're facing this way and this planet's orbiting this way.
It's not even 3 dimensions that are the problems here. It's 2 dimensions.
However, I've personally seen Venus at night.
Yes, I have as well. I have looked at it with my telescope. I have looked at it with the telescope of our university.
Time, hours after the sun has set, and even space.com admits you can see Venus.
Yeah, no, of course. Did you? the gotcha he thinks he has is it never fails to amuse me. People like that.
At midnight.
Yeah, I know. Serious things.
Space.com, it says, now is the best time to observe the brightest planet in our sky, Venus. Look for this brightest planet in the night sky just after sunset and even up to until midnight in some parts. Now, that's impossible on the heliocentric model. So, thank you, Space.com.
Now, wow. Okay, so, I mean, somehow I need to explain that. So, first of all, heliocentrism doesn't debunk itself. You just can't really think in 2 dimensions. Okay. That's the problem that he has. How can we see Venus at night? Well, the thing that you see here is that's obviously not how it thinks, but first of all, nothing in this presentation is drawn to scale. Right? Cool. Now, as Venus orbits Earth, of course, if it is here, we don't see it. However, if it's here, what do you think? Do you think we can see it actually? Let's zoom in a little. Ha! Would you look at that? You can see Venus from the night side. Well, am I the big surprise? Again, nothing of this is to scale. This is not a representative in any way, shape, or form. I didn't take the axial tilt of Earth into account. None of that. This is I think he would be confused. Because he's confused by that alone. So you have to simplify things a little. So that's literally it. I don't know, guys. I can't. If you enjoy this, leave a like, and if you enjoy the lot, maybe consider subscribing. I don't know. Is this really the state of things? Like, and the fact that someone posted this to YouTube that was not that guy speaks volumes. I can't. I need to do something productive. I don't know.